In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get a refund on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Then head over to the option, Your Orders. Here you're going to find all of your purchases. Find the item you want to refund and tap on it. Scroll down and select the option Return or Refund. This will start the refund process. Now you'll be asked to choose a reason for your return, such as damaged item, wrong product, or no longer needed. Depending on the reason, you may also need to upload photos as proof. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Once you submit the request, Temu will review it and either approve a refund or provide return shipping instructions. In many cases, Temu may even allow you to keep the item while still issuing a refund depending on the situation. After approval, your refund will be processed back to your original payment method or Temu wallet. This usually takes a few days depending on your bank or payment provider. And that's it. This is how you can get a refund on Temu. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.